Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering off and unplugging the Series S, then wait 5 minutes so capacitors discharge. Once done, move to a flat, grounded surface and remove the external storage cover to access one hidden screw. Use a Torx T8 to remove the security screw, then a PH00 to take out visible screws around the vent area. Make sure to keep screws organized. Small trays or labeled tape prevent mixing bolts and make reassembly far easier. You now pry the plastic shell starting at a corner, insert a plastic spudger and gently work along the seam. Once clips start to release, move incrementally so you don't snap tabs. After lifting the top half slightly, locate and disconnect ribbon cables and Wi-Fi antenna wires. Use a spudger to lift connectors, not brute force. Keep track of cable orientations. Photograph each step if unsure. If a clip feels stuck, stop and reposition the spudger to avoid breaking internal plastic. Finish by removing the last screws securing the motherboard shield and then lift the shell free while watching cable routes. You want to inspect foam pads, clip condition, and make sure nothing is pinched before putting parts back. During reassembly, reconnect ribbons and antenna wires in the reverse order and tighten screws snugly, but not over tight. If the shell won't separate, apply gentle heat to soften adhesive or double-check for missed screws. That troubleshooting step solves most stubborn binds.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.